Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your Twitter or X account private. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Twitter or X, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, to make your Twitter account private and restrict who can see your tweets and interact with you, you should just follow these simple steps, alright? Now, remember that making your Twitter or X account private can be a strategic decision based on several reasons related to privacy control and, of course, personal space, alright? Now, if you are using the web, go to twitter.com or x.com. and hover to the left side panel where you can see the profile and the more options, and click on settings and privacy. Now here, all you have to do is hover to where it says privacy and safety and go to the audience, media, and tagging. You see there's a caption below that says you can manage what information you allow other people on X to see. If you click on it, now you see you can click this box right here. If you tick it, when selected, your post and other account information are only visible to people who follow you. Alright? If they don't, it's like making your account private as well. All you're gonna do is click on this option and click on protect. Now, if you wanted to get more restrictive about your account, just follow all these, manage the information associated with your post, and a lot more. Let's try to do this on the mobile device to see how we can do it from there. Now, once you are inside the Twitter or X app on your mobile device, I need you to hover to the upper left corner and click on settings and support, and click on settings. Same thing with the web version. All we're gonna do is click on the privacy and settings, because this is the section where we can manage what information you see and share on X or Twitter. Now again, click on audience and tagging, manage what information you allow other people on X to see, and of course you simply have to toggle to switch it on to protect your post. And again, only current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. And if you wanted to protect your videos, if selected videos you post or send via DMs will not be downloadable by default, this setting applies to videos shared going forward and is not retroactive. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.